Here's a comprehensive review of the NUSTE Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. First, let's talk about its key features and benefits. The NUSTE Tire Inflator boasts a maximum pressure of 150 psi and an airflow rate of 35 liters per minute, allowing it to inflate car tires in as little as 30 seconds. This makes it 2 to 3 times faster than many traditional air pumps, which is ideal for emergencies. The dual power design allows you to use it cordlessly or with a 12V DC power supply. It comes with a robust 15,000 mAh lithium-ion battery that can inflate up to 4 car tires on a single charge. And the 11.5-foot DC power cord ensures you always have a reliable power source. The inflator includes a high-definition LCD dual display, showing real-time and preset pressure values in 4 units: PSI, kPa, bar, and kg/cm. Plus, it features an auto-off function that stops the pump at the desired pressure, preventing overinflation. It has 4 preset smart modes tailored for bicycles, motorcycles, cars, and balls. Additionally, the custom mode lets you set a specific pressure value for versatility across various inflatables. Equipped with an LED light, it's easy to use in low-light conditions, perfect for nighttime emergencies. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to store and carry, ensuring you always have a reliable tire inflator on hand. Besides inflating car tires, it's great for motorcycles, bicycles, sports balls, inflatable toys, and camping gear, making it a versatile tool for various inflation needs. Overall, the NUSTE Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is an efficient, user-friendly, and versatile tool, ideal for anyone needing a quick, reliable solution for tire inflation and other inflatables. Add this essential tool to your vehicle or home today.